Okay. Pump Hill Car Centre, building the Ferrari. We've took it all apart to reposition the steering rack. We're going to put it round by the back of this area here, like that. You don't know where Rob is, do you? I'm trying to get him to clean the road banger. This looks a lot better, you know.
Huh?
This looks a lot better.
I'm so pleased that I'll make.
So what you've done, you've moved the. If you've moved the beam over that way, would I say that instead of the two wheel.
Beam is in the same position.
Is it?
These points should be in the same position, but they're further back.
Ha. Right.
They're further back.
No, but look, if you look at the car from the middle, right, it finishes there.
Yep.
And that one's further over, like
yep.
that whole beam is over.
Yep.
So that would bring that wheel in a bit, and that wheel out a bit.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Now, the only thing I'm not sure if I've got, right, so I've got two jacks.
But when you put it all down, and they
all move, no, it'll go back, you see.
When you put it all down, and you mean it might go even further. When they do it like that, nothing like that. Yeah. I mean, when the weight's on it, or is the weight on it now?
There's no weight on it.
Just the weight on it now. There's no point in telling that either. This is going to go to the care room.
No, you're right. But well, I will explain this to you. If you look at this, this is angled, isn't it? The actual, this bit is angled, yeah?